Hey, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? What I want to know is, are you ready for the holidays? Because if you're not, I got the perfect recipe for you. Stay with me and we're going to bring it all together. Okay, so our veggies are ready. Nice and soft. Perfect. Now I'm going to throw in, first I want to throw in my cream of mushroom. This is going to give us a little liquid. I'm going to stir that in. Incorporate that into my mushrooms and onions. Just like that. Okay, now we can come with our green beans. We'll put these in batches and kind of work them around instead of all at once. Yeah. Now we're getting where? We're getting somewhere now, y'all. Put the last in. Work those in. And last, we got our spices. It's gotten a little hard. I had them separated so y'all could see what I was adding. And just mix that all in. Just season it. There we go. If you notice, every I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. I don't need it too hot. Every ingredient that I add, I stir. And lastly, we're going to come with our French fried onion rings. Make sure you get a good mix. Now, I'm going to, just before I go into the casserole dish, add maybe about half of my cheese in here. I'm going to reserve some for my topping a little later. Mix this in. Turn it off. I don't need it on no more. Just like that. Okay, so now I got my casserole dish and I've greased it already so that it doesn't stick. And I just come in with my green bean casserole. Okay, so we're just gonna spread it out. I already got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So we're gonna pop this in for about 20 minutes, I believe. And then, guys, we will, I'll pull it out. I'm gonna add some more cheese and the toppings, which is my bacon and a little Parmesan. And then let it cook again for another 10 minutes. Ooh-wee. Pat, you did it this time. Oh, I had to laugh at that, y'all. Look at that casserole. I mean, it looks delicious. Now, I got one last thing that I'm gonna do, is I'm just gonna come across the top with a little Parmesan. Just right across the top like that. A little snow. Oh, ain't that delicious? Oh my goodness. That's it, y'all. Oh, I did this one, y'all. I mean, I'm talking about, I can't wait to stick my fork in here. So I'm just gonna get a little off the corner here. And I gotta get, oh wait, and it's so cheesy. Look at that. I got to blow it. Listen, I want to taste it so bad, but I want to blow it. I want to burn my mouth. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here you go. Oh, you know, the flavors are just bursting in my mouth. I mean, the crispiness of the French fried onions. The beans were cooked perfectly. The bacon adds so much flavor. And once again, if you're not a pork eater, put you some turkey bacon in there. Absolutely delicious. Y'all, I knocked this one out the park. Listen, thank you guys for following me on YouTube, supporting me. If you haven't done it already, tell a friend to tell a friend, and then hit that subscription button so that you'll be informed of my next videos. There are more great videos to come. Also, please leave your comments because I read all comments. And once again, thank you so much. This dish is a keeper.